Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming connectivity and having your Google credentials handy. This saves time and avoids mid-flow interruptions. Once done, unlock your Redmi and open Settings. Scroll to Accounts, tap Add Account, and choose Google. If a device lock or PIN appears, enter it to proceed. Make sure to allow the account wizard to access the internet. Without connection, you can't verify credentials. If you use two-step verification, prepare your second factor before continuing so the sign-in completes smoothly. After selecting Google, type your email and password, then tap Next. The system validates credentials immediately. If two-step verification appears, follow prompts, use the code, Authenticator app, or prompt so sign-in finishes. Next, you'll see sync options, contacts, calendar, drive, photos, toggle what you want synced. Make choices based on storage and privacy needs. Then confirm backup settings if offered. Backing up app data and device settings protects you. Finally, tap Done and wait, while initial sync pulls your items to the phone. Finish by checking settings, right arrow accounts to confirm your Google account is listed, and sync status indicates recent activity. If contacts or calendars don't show, tap the account and choose Sync Now, or reboot the phone to reinitiate services. Sometimes clearing the Google Play Services cache helps. If sign-in fails, verify your password, correct device date/time, and any Google security alerts on another device or email. Also ensure Play services and MIUI updates aren't pending, because outdated services can block account setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.